grass is green, lying in the shade where not much can be seen, comfortably watching the world go by. But I don't see more than meets the eye. As I play with pleasant dreams beneath the tree, I hear a voice gently calling me, but I don't want to be bothered today. Save it for a rainy day. Save it for another time on another day. I've got something on my mind and I just want to play the game. Save it for a rainy day. Save it for another time on another day. I've got nothing on my mind and I just want to play the game. Save it for a rainy day. I've got some good intentions and everything's fine. Just sit back and relax, don't drive such a hard line. Pleasure and comfort is all I need. Don't ask me to adventure or show anything by my deeds. Save it for another time on another day. I've got nothing on my mind and I just want to play the game. Save it for a rainy day. Save it for another time on another day. I've got something on my mind and I just want to play the game. Save it for a rainy day. As the sun sets and shadows quickly fall, suddenly I wish I'd answered the call. The wind is cold and bitter and chills me to bone, but I'm still sleeping a long way from home. Oh my Lord, send me a rainy day, so I'll find all the things I've been hiding away. Take a spade to my heart and dig down deep. Wake me from this blissful